The three voice we want hear now. That's this three voice we want hear. So now at this one, which is Jackie Sula wife, complained to her friend for Italy while she was in Nigeria 3 days before she buy. Now she played this voice record. Go give her Ghana friend. Now, as this video they go over now, Ghana friend now come have to send the voice record with his sister Sephora. Go give a family member. And I say forward that to me. They can play for the whole world. Make the whole world listen. They couldn't see the the thing where their sister talk before you give up. Let's go there. And share this video. Let's go.
Oh yes, my children know. They know now. When I was pregnant, my last born, I go to Nigeria, I buy ticket with my two kids, Milan and his brother, because I was pregnant almost 8 months, a bit 8 months plus. So a lot. So then ticket, 2-way ticket I bought up. My going and I go and stay in Nigeria for almost 3 years. Something happened. So then the father now come and take princess and the brother here. They were taking them from house to house, giving them from hand to hand before the father now come and take them and put them with that girlfriend. Already that time the girl have already been pregnant. He went to go and marry the girl, do everything. So even the girl herself was one fighting herself, fight. At the end of the day, she returned the bride price that the money they put in her head. She returned it back to my husband. Say she don't need the marriage again. My sister, we give thanks to God. We give thanks to God. Hello, my big mommy. Good morning. Good morning. Just say, let me tell you that I'm in Nigeria. The work of God. So I try to call you like it's not connecting. Bless you. Thank you. God bless you. God bless you, ma. Yes, the connection here is not. It's not okay. It's not good at all. I said I have to leave this area. How is everything? How are you doing, ma? Hope everything is fine. I'm still here. I'm still here by the grace of God. Thank you so much for checking for me. Thank you. God bless you. Hello, if I don't know, sir. Domo. One me voice in any query now. So, voice in the message again. Obi Osio Pa, Obi Ganya, where this church activities could be. So, on the 23rd of December, I have sent this voice gear. That's on the 4th or the 23rd. So I attended this verse again. That when they were not to be a child, we explaining the woman. Why visit to the Bangladesh networking or making and buy now go see. So it's the one pan again. On 3 days to return, okay, yeah, or a voice no, a voice now send the gear. Now we try no be a explaining. When you pass through, we wait baby ya. This way, sir, don't.
Yeah, the matter that I consider the suspector. See the suspector, he do something like that, he do something like that, so they call it suspector. But for that Sandra I use the mouth to talk but for that, Sandra I use the mouth to talk to everybody to see the back of the child, they make her attempt to do something like this. But for that part, Milan, they say they call the suspector, say, you be like, say, he do something, they get, but nobody just cash out and let that thing, no. But that Sandra, so that I use the mouth to talk I talk even before when I even come abroad, it has been long, even before I come abroad. Like that, Abby? I try and come abroad. Yes, now before I come abroad, before I come abroad, then I'm attacking to the ground that time. And I'm attacking to the ground that time. But that still be cast 1 year like that, shall maybe still cast.
And a great plus anyway, though. This voice na a great daughter wey dey Europe. Na he plan send am to my
Now share the video.
sister wey dey follow you dey talk that time when you say we wan have an affair with am. Like say that one I hear say see wetin my sister dey talk. Na he take connect her number. She come dey play am like say she come call am dey talk to am. So na meanwhile gbegbe daughter wey my sister born for am. So na she dey talk about say Igbe sleep with am since they come dey talk am for the family house. Although since they no catch am red handed, and na that thing be wetin the small girl dey try to tell im mama before they come strike the little girl with madness. That is e come dey sin. Even up till now as we are speaking now, dey with people wey dey take care of that's where people their head not too dey sound like that because of that thing. When they go Nigeria and do their capacity like that and that thing happen. Up till now, the small girl still dey there, dey that side wey dey for dey take care of am, treat am. So na this one dey explain. I say even one of our daughter again, make sure my husband wey they call Sandra, he say that one come still dey talk say the papa say this one sleep with am. You know say me I still send the voice for you. So now Jackie daughter wey dey Europe na send this one for my junior sister wey follow you talk today.
This kind of matter don't be here. Just use clear eye to all this kind of rubbish romance. Because you are rubbish for real and nonsense. Your own daughter, they assault your own daughter. Watch out. And what I just want me I play for the whole world. They gonna listen, they gonna see what they go on with Jackie evil. Jackie evil, they do to his own daughter. Nothing which somebody no go see for social media. Nothing we will not go hear for this social media. Jackie evil. Nothing we will not go hear. All because of money. And on the other way around, the daughter doesn't have money. The daughters, they don't get money. Jackie don't get grandchildren. You know, small picking. Bro. You think get as a bit for match to the talking. You get as a bit. It's if you see the wife they talk, I want to tell you say illiterate, not illiterate. Person don't go school, not good for life. So now this one, this woman now when they talk now, this one, then want go put church for Nigeria. Well, it is really like my mother. My mother also now she also opened church before she died. She opened church. You understand? So she cannot read. More than illiteracy, not go school. But unfortunately, the church where you go bring pastor when they pay. Come build the house for the pastor. When they pay the pastor, I come be Sunday school teacher. This you know say me I dey read, I dey educated, I smart, sharp, I dey vibrant. I do Sunday school for the church. I still do translator for the church too. If the pastor they speak English, I go to speak Benin because mostly the church now women. Every year, I always say the day. So if the pastor speak English, I go to speak. The pastor speak Yoruba because the pastor now from Ore and Yoruba man, those Yoruba pastors then. So now the pastor be. So the pastor they speak Yoruba. and they translate to Benin. You understand? And they translate to Benin. So that was the work I was doing with that church. So she go open church. It's okay. It's okay. You see, God can call anybody. You must not be more educated, but God call you. God can call it. God can call anybody to do his job because he knows that person heart clean. Now, clean heart, clean soul, and God he call. It's done. So that's illiteracy. Jackie Sula see it in that woman. And one thing you should understand: most illiterate women they love literate men. I swear to God, women will not go school. They want marry woman, man will they educated, man will not to read the rights. They can use their life to serve that man. Just for them to be proud. Say, they not go school, but their husband is educated. Wait till they don't feel read, their husband feel read that. This thing comes among our women. And our stupid men that they use the advantage for those women. If you see Jack Sula does not love the woman. She knew that the woman is not his class. In the sense that the woman is not educated, it's an illiterate. So why was Jack Sula was sticking with that woman, got that woman married, but that woman have a lot of advantage to assist him to stand as a man in life. That was the reason why Jack Sula married that man. And for that simple reason, Jack Sula was always following that woman, manipulating that woman, using that woman mercilessly, just doping that woman money because the woman are illiterate. The woman does not want to lose that Jackie because of anyone born here, born here, born here. Now see what this thing that leads to some women to now. Where is she now? She's gone. The second wife will return bride price. As we speak today, that one is still alive. That one doesn't talk for the same video. But where is the wife? A working man now. Where is the working man now? It's no more. Bro. They laugh you better pass they cry you, bro. You see like, oh boy, I don't want to drink. Me and high small. God. This life not balance, I swear. I swear not balance. May God help the children. That's my last wish for them. May God help the children. Today now, the second born one will commit suicide. The second born of Adesoa. As he hear the audio we are playing, the fight will happen for Wesley Hotel Sunday. Last week Sunday here. A fight will stop between the father and Mr. Ibiza. The guy said, what? My mother is dead. My father is fighting for that woman. What? All these children, they are going to be traumatized. They never reach that stage to be all this kind of nonsense, all this kind of thing. On the phone, so these children, they watch all these things. Because their mama need to media. Do media. What a life. What a wasted life. Jack is going to frustrate our women. Better to two person go party. Man, the poor us. Jack they usually play game. Better coins. Some men they find this kind of good women with a good heart. Where they go take care of, they go maintain that woman to the fullest. Then they see them. Now these animals there, these shameful boys, and they don't follow. All these women, they could be fine boys. Man, we don't make name. Man, we don't make name. They could be fine when they want to stay with. Just imagine person like Jackie. Somebody, as we speak now, you could do it of Toto, or you could do bad if they sing. He did with a Princess Ame. Or more, things they happen as well. He never said it to you. On the social media, go hear story. I swear to God. Jakazula go hear story. Jakazula, make this you are fully welcome to Saga. Go ask Esther, don't buy you, go tell you, go very far. Esther, don't buy you enter Europe. You can never do Europe tour anymore. Esther, Everybody is frustrated for this Europe. May come Europe, may come say you want to show. Esther Europe show is cancelled. As far as I live in this abroad, as far as I remain the social media king, Esther Europe show is cancelled. Any show promoter carry Esther come Europe, you go waste money. Come on, I'm not a brag. Come on, verify. I go tell you. That's how long with her. I'm the Europe with it. I'm a real home. Now, see one go spray.